night.
Yeah.
I asked some police there. I said, listen, I need to go to hotel. I said, okay, Minikappi South Side.
Okay.
I've been there. I say,
Yeah.
they're speaking French a little bit. Problem to understand. I'm speaking no French. He said to me, okay, I'm going to drop you there. They're dropping us. And then when we taking to go from the airport left.
They help you to go to the car, to take the taxi.
Exactly.
They help you.
Police can help up to that.
The police, they helping you.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And then when we go there, and then he driving, and then myself, I'm just thinking what the people told me here. I think, how to go there? How long I tell him to take in? Because the guy told me to go from airport to hotel to take you 3 hours. I say, okay, let me see. When I sit in the car, I say here.
That's what they say to you from here. If you from the airport to the hotel, they're going to take you 3 hours.
Yeah.
And that's what they do in London.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
And then the guy said, no, 20 minutes.
Okay.
I've been there, I saw roads, 5 truck roads. Driving 80, 100 kilometers per hour. And I'm just thinking to myself, what do people say about that?
Yeah.
And then we've been to hotel there, he helped me to go inside. Okay, I pay him some money, I don't know how much he's gave on his gun. And then there in hotel, I met a lot of people. And then I'm just thinking to myself, what are people talking about here? And I've been from Kinshasa to Bombasho.
You from Kinshasa to Lubumbashi?
Yeah,
how do you went there?
Driving.
Driving?
No, driving. Me drive 7 hours and a half, me drive to Bombasho.
You say you driving, just driving from Kinshasa to Lubumbashi?
Yeah, 7 hours.
7 hours.
7 hours
driving.
taking.
Wow.
I can tell you something, I see poor people there. You know, the country is big, because the country is bigger than Europa. You know, to go, there's very big on... me been in Bombasha there one day, when me come back with the car again. Me come back with the car
again.
Me no see problems, nothing. Me see the people, you know, the poor people see me markets. When it's the markets, it's a little bit traffic slow down, but after that, the roads is complete there. On one man told me in Bombasha, they said, to traveling from Bombasha to Kinshasa, me take 1 month to go there.
That's what they say to you when you were in London.
Now they're taking for 6-7 hours.
6-7 hours.
This just means something is amazing, you know, guys. You need to have proper information, you know, just to talk. After that, I see our Saneta there. I see some nice guys, and they told me you will come to invest here. I just tried to send some buses there just to help them, because
it means you're going to Congo to invest.
Yeah, exactly.
What kind of investment do you have to do there?
I try energy, mostly. I mean, focus in energy power station.
Okay.
Because we have some program. I have some power station to build there. I like to build in Kinshasa first. And then where is the water? We need to find the resource, and then we come invest. But I have a very good investor.
Okay.
On myself personally, I like to invest with the buses and construction, anything we get there, because we have a lot of projects. But main thing is the power station.
Because you did that before in other countries as well.
Yeah, we done construction now in Nigeria. I'm been very happy with Nigerian. Believe me, same thing happening with Nigeria. Before me go there, the people talking exactly, don't go there, they can kidnap you. You know, I've been myself there 1 year and a half. Nobody tell me nothing. Me drive myself. It's free country, man. I tell you the truth. Just, you know, it's good.
I think where do you meet, when you meet the opposition, when you talk to them, how do you...
I meet the opposition there, and I'm just talking to someone opposition there. I say, what are you thinking about? But the opposition is happy to do in the dialogue out.
Okay.
And I've been very proud, because, see, it's no time for election there. It's no chance to do an election there.
It means for you, there is no point to go to the election now.
But you cannot go in election, because the 15 years, no people are registered there.
Okay.
I find myself, 15 years, the people not registered.
Not registered,
You know, 15 years ago, the Kabila take the power there. The people been 16, 17 had no right to vote, and now the guys is 20, 25. They need to vote now.
They need to vote
registered.
No registered.
I'm just thinking that you need 2-3 years, about 2017, 2018, start register all the people, taking time. On the opposition need to understand that. Just to not making the blood, because you know you lost 10 million people there. I read about the story, Congo. Come on, guys. Let's stop the no more blood, please. Because for the bad things, they come and just bad. There's nothing. You can destroy in 1 day, but you cannot build 35 years.
No. Because you go back to experience in your country, Kosovo.
Yeah, we have same experience in Kosovo.
People was fighting there, people they was killing each other. Then you go back bad
experience. Same experience in Kosovo with Serbian, because Kosovo is 1.8 million people. The Serbia has been 22 million. They're killing with us. They're doing all the bad things to us. I can imagine. When I talk about Kosovo, you know, something, I cannot come, 2-3 days about the things is, what's happened today? Tell me what's happened today. Again, we have dialogue with Serbia.
They go dialogue in Serbia.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We have dialogue. You see what they've done in Bosnia and Herzegovina. They're killing people not necessary, just killing people like that, killing disabled people. Go see in Croatia. Me just been to visit 8-9 countries now. This is something that I can tell you, guys, the dialogue is the best thing for the Congo for now, for a couple of years, 5-6 years, to register the population.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I understand. Like you can see, he's from Kosovo. You were saying we need to go to the dialogue because the dialogue is the most important thing people have to do. Because end of the day, we need to register those people. It's going to take about 3 to 5 years to be those people to be registered.
They can take it more because see, the poor countries is Congo is not some small country. Congo is bigger than Europe. I don't know the people talking here. Oh, it's easy. It's not easy. Me know with Kosovo experience. Me know with Kosovo Albanian experience.
In your country, Kosovo, is only the government can build the country, or ordinary people can build it?
Listen, the government need to build country, but everyone need to help in the government.
Everyone.
When you like to destroy, you can destroy. But you know, the population in Kosovo, they understand very, very well what's going on. They understand our ways. You know, before me, our same thing, we have problems. The most people making in Kosovo trouble, the people no visit Kosovo. They come in England here, we have some people stay here in North London, just talking about Kosovo, oh, this or that, you know, just talking rubbish. They not go to visit there. When you go to visit there, you see, okay, the place to fight for government is the parliament. It's not the states. It's not Facebook.
In the parliament, that's where people can fight the government.
Talking to anyone you like, say, listen, I am this, I am this, I am this. Go sharing the things. The politician is politician. You know, I'm not politician. You know, I'm just, I see example like in Kosovo. You know, me fight with Serbian, me die with Serbian, me killing each other. What's happened today? Again, me see dialogue in Brussels, me doing the dialogue. I have dialogue going well now.
The dialogue in France is going on.
In Belgium.
You see, it means.
His mean is okay now. Mean is good now, safe. You know. We have energy, we have everything, we have transport. Is no crime at all, zero tolerance with the crime.
Because people. Okay, we go to break. After the break, then we're gonna come back.
Leica Mobile's offers are becoming better and better. Our UK Plan 20 is now available for just £12. Get 1,000 minutes, unlimited texts and 2 gigabytes of national data. You also get unlimited calls and texts from Leica Mobile to Leica Mobile in the UK. To buy, text 12044 to 3535. Order your free SIM at leicamobile.co.uk today. Terms and conditions apply. Leica Mobile. Call the world for less.
Namaskar. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Mr. Brown, allow me.
Oh, thanks. I love India.
So, travel a lot?
No, just on.
Leica Mobile's offers.
Welcome TV. Comme j'avais dit que Tozan a invité mon co-spécial Awa, Tozo soigné en anglais, yang wana moni Tozo loba émission en anglais. Alors, I'm going to ask you another question. What do you think about the youth in this country who born here, who have never been in Congo? Can you tell them something?
Yeah, I can tell you something because what's happened, that we have the same problem everywhere. The people born here, the people come here 6-7 years old or 10 years old here. Now he's 25, 30 years old coming. Never go to visit his country. He just finds something in Facebook. Oh, somebody writes something bad, the thinking is bad. This is absolute, these people need to go to visit. Otherwise, they know nothing to talk about his country.
They be misled, didn't
they? They misled. They don't know to talk about his country because they listen to other people, that you know, other TVs, you know, because a lot of TVs all mixing the things. But the thing is, you to talk about your country, you need to be in your country at least once a year. Go see. I've been myself there. I saw John Kerry there. John Kerry, the Secretary of America.
The Secretary of America.
He's been there, and we saw him. Okay, I've not been in the table.
But he was not in the news.
Yeah, but he's not been in the news. This is the problem because it's very poor.
The information is very poor.
Information need to be. When I told the other guy, you know, John Kerry been here. Why not put his pictures there? You know,
it's been 3 weeks ago, John Kerry been in Congo, then you ate together in the same restaurant, then no security.
No security, nothing. When I saw this, you know, I'm thinking the people here, when I come back, I have some guys here. Listen, I've been in Congo now and just come back. He don't believe me. I said, listen, I showed the pictures. This is the pictures I've been.
Yeah.
I've been there, I just come back.
Yeah.
When I told him, how long have you not been here? In your country, in Congo? How long have you not been there? Oh, 17 years. I don't like to go before Kabila go. What do you mean? What do you mean Kabila is not going?
Yeah.
Kabila, what do you do?
Yeah.
I say, you not been 17 years in your country.
Yeah.
You try to talk to the people just in the street, in the road.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
don't destroy the damage. Because, see, you like to fight out, you like to know the truth. I told
You
him.
need to go to Congo.
I told him, okay, you don't have money, I can pay ticket.
Yeah.
Come with me, I can guarantee it.
Yeah.
I can guarantee it.
Yeah.
Like white person, I can come there, I can call in anyone there, I can tell, listen, I come with X person there. Nobody can say, no, as soon as I'm going to kill, why they kill you?
Yeah.
Because you done something.
Yeah, of course.
You're doing something, because you're talking something 20 years. When I find other things there in Congo, when I've been in Kinshasa, the flood, some Israeli company building the floods there, 600,000 pounds.
What's that mean, 600,000 pounds?
600,000 pounds, they're selling the floods, dollars.
They're selling the
floods.
$600,000.
Yeah, they're selling the floods. 3 bedroom.
3 bedroom, 600,000. That's a lot of money.
Oh, and you cannot buy in Wembley here. You cannot buy in London. And I was just thinking, this is means something. Listen, I can tell you the truth. This is means something. Is going all the time better and better.
Yeah.
Because you to sell $600,000 flat in Congo, in Kinshasa.
Then people buying it.
Listen, it's gone already everything.
You see?
It's no one to buy there. I meet somebody say, oh, I like to buy it, but it's gone. I say, how is it gone? Say, before the building is gone.
It's gone already.
This is
you see, my brother and sister, they're saying the flat in our country is expensive. If a flat is for $600,000, before even finished, somebody's already bought it. It means something's good is there. Because you've been there just 2 weeks ago. Then, like you are saying, nobody can go into invest where there's a trouble.
No.
Yeah.
When it's trouble, me stop the invest straight away.
Yeah.
I'm stopping myself. My friends stopping now because we have the million to spend out there.
Yeah.
As soon as the trouble comes, of course, me not invest.
Yeah. It means there is no trouble in Congo at all.
Now, what I saw now myself, absolute is no trouble.
Yeah, then people,
the trouble making the people here.
People
in
here.
France, in Europe.
They are the one making trouble.
Exactly.
They need to stop them.
No, they need to stop
those
them.
People, they don't think.
Those people is never go to visit his country. This is problem. He don't know about his country, nothing. He's just talking no sense. They're lying. They're trying to making people from the bad side. You know what? These people like just to have in war. People to die, wearing black shirts, go burying people.
Yeah, that's what they want. They just want to wear black suit to go bury people. That's what
I don't know what
they're
feeling, what kind of hair. Because I saw that. The second thing is that is in Congo's own religion.
Yeah.
It's not mixing with Muslim or some different Israel or somebody else or Indian.
Christian,
Come on. You guys need to understand each other.
They need to go to church, definitely.
They need to go to church Sunday. When go Sunday for the church, at least they can keep 1 week his head.
Yeah, then they can
Nigeria, I find something else. Nigeria, when I've been, I'm Muslim myself. I've been in church every Sunday.
Okay.
I'm going just to see the people. I told the pastor, listen, I'm not coming here to change my religion. I'm just interested to see. But people go in church, come after the church, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the people is fantastic. By Friday, is coming busy. Again, is when you believe in something, you need to come down.
Can you tell those people, the people watching us, why you're interested to go to invest in our country, Congo?
Because I tell you the truth, I have some. I meet some people out in Europe. To invest in Congo because it's the place you can invest now, the place you can make our money there.
But people in this country here, the Congolese people in this country here, they're saying, in Congo there is trouble.
No. The people here, you know what they're doing? The people here, the people here. I met someone. He drinking 3-4 bottle whiskey and talking about Congo. Say, I come next president. I come next prime minister. I say, how?
That's the person who's drinking whiskey.
Yeah, they're drinking whiskey.
Then he says he's going to go be next president.
Yeah, one time I'm just thinking, my friend, he stay council house.
Yeah. He's living in council house
here.
Then he's
take benefit here.
Taking benefit.
His children is here. His wife is here. Oh, let's be fighting in Congo. No problem. They can fight. I told them, why you not take your wife and children?
Go fight.
Go there. And you can see how you can find the truth. But no, he just like all the mess doing. How in every country, you see, everyone like to do something trouble. He moving his family. When he not going to visit 20 years his country, I don't know how they can talk in.
Some people 30
in my country, when you not been to visit 15 years, nobody leaving you to talk.
No, you can't.
Because you don't know nothing.
You don't know.
They
Even
can ask
1 year,
him.
even 1 year,
I
you
asked
don't even
him.
know what's happening there. You never been there. You
I
can't.
asked other day the guy, where's your daughters? Your sons? He said, in London.
Oh.
Where are you? In London. How long you been there? 17 years. What you know about the Congo? You like just to fight, you can fight now in street. But you